Oh, he likes Erica. How kind. That's adorable. Spring, was this the monkey in the picture?
Yeah.
From a few years ago?
Get closer though, because he's on a chain. Hey, you gotta get closer.
I'm sorry, Miss Mick. I'm all in your grill.
Oh, Will, he's gonna pick a bunch out here.
Okay, watch out for the chain.
Don't want to bite
You guys gotta come closer.
Oh, he's got his hair.
He's smiling.
Watch out, he may try to take water bottles and drink them.
Spring, biting you, Spring.
He's so vicious.
Oh my God. So cute. Welcome back. So cute. Coming back for more.
It was when he was being nice.
He's to be mean. Look at him. Don't fight her out, Bo. Just he has so much energy. It's so cute.
I'll see you.
Look, you guys have just got 1 more minute. So anyone wants to get
Don't let him drink your water.
So jump up there and like pet him or drop him really quick.
Well.
1 more minute. We're gonna head back to the bus. Right now.
What's up, dog? I want a pet monkey.
Oh.
What's wrong with you, dog? Get out.
Dog.
Get out.
Chill out, dude.
That hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt at all, but it's just like...
It's like his mouth is like.
It's more confusing.
Bobby puts his hair. Oh my God. Oh, Jordan, it's not. It's not.
Thanks, guys. I'm gonna walk back.